Alright, YouTube, this is the part 2 of that video. As you can see here, one of my cell is bad. You see how this one goes down that low? That means that needs to be replaced, and pretty much this two also. So, but my battery voltage is still 24 volts, so the inverter is gonna keep going until it reaches 21 volts. So, but I'm not gonna go to that because of this particular cell right here. So I'm gonna have to shut it down and replace that particular cell, and probably those two. So I'll give you an update later on. The current time is 1:48 a.m. So we've been running pretty much, I'll say about 6 hours or 7 hours maybe. Yep. Alright, so I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.